Mahut Minister Taunazum Shyam Kumar declares that new building by law First Amendment 2019 allows constructions of buildings up to 7 stories in the state. And 48-hour economic blockade jointly called by all tribal Sandstone Lever Association, Moray and Golden Tipper Owner Association starts early this morning. A very good afternoon to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandram presenting you the Sunday afternoon news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Municipal Association, Housing and Urban Development Mahut Minister Taunazum Shyam Kumar declares dead as per the Imphal Municipal Council building by laws First Amendment 2019. Constructions of a building up to 7-story in the state has been approved from this year onward. Speaking to media at the minister's quarter today, Minister T.H. Shyam Kumar said that the resolution was taken considering the increasing number of population and to save the agricultural land of the state, asserting that it is mandatory for the house owner to acquire permissions from the concerned experts and authorities in the construction process of a house. The minister maintained that legal actions will be taken above the owner if the house is found illegally constructed. Mentioning that people have sustained injuries and killed in the building collapse incident in Imphal city, he declares that legal actions will be taken from 15th of October upon those individuals who has prohibited Mahut Department's notification to submit forms including details of when the building was constructed to Imphal Municipal Council. He notified the owners of the illegal makeshifts and those carrying out shops construction in the footpath to evict within the deadline.
Maruina pandamdi building maten tet mak sabi abi permission si karigi piri bano na habida Manipur si 90% di hiloiba 10% ji belly oiba 10% belly jang si de koi labuk agriculture le mam yim lo na sakala pa hetar adana sagi tawbadi sagalai mam ji laifam lai tabadagi permission tu sakana si permission pi dabadagi mathon saung wang sakragadi koi yum masi manon manga tru po su pun dum laibia ba adugi sakpiya damina adum problem de am hongtona bangak tani agriculture le koi mahemarong thab sinjak ki thab da sep tong na ba hai permission si pi bani mayam na koi sarkar gi ain mayam si ngakpiyo akhoi na hingbada hiram khodimakta law ma leibisna law sina koi khodimakki makhata leibani.
48-hour economic blockade jointly called by all tribal Sandstone Lever Association Moray and Golden Tipper Owner Association started early this morning. The economic blockade was called against the ban of sandstone mining and transportation from Moray. The blockade supporters halted vehicles coming from Imphal near Moray College along Imphal-Moray Road and checked the vehicles. Those vehicles coming from Moray were also checked and sent back to Moray. Goods carried by Moray Commando were also dragged down on road. Speaking to media, spokesperson of All Tribal Sandstone Lever Association, P.S. Gangte, warned of intense agitation if their demands are not fulfilled within 48 hours. Technopol SPTH Vikramjit Singh and 12th Assam Rifled Commandant Colonel Rajesh Chaudhary, along with representatives of the two associations, are convening a meeting at Moray Police IB to bring an end to the ongoing blockade.
Ngarang nunthil All Tribal Labor Association indefinite blockade chathagani haibadu ngasi ajuk haugre kana mata economic goods pubi yaroi haina ekhoi kanna thingduna leire hojik phawbada government na natra concerned authority na karigumba machak ama positive reply natra positive action amatang urisu lobi dabasi ekhoi gi laibak thibani handaki 48 hours indefinite blockade asi loisilabasu positive action reaction laktradi masi henna kanna stringent agitation chathagani haibisi ekhoi gi wari amane.
Unknown miscreants exploded a bomb near Moray police station at Moray town in Indo-Myanmar border last night. Impact News sources said that the explosion occurred around 10 p.m. Upon hearing the information, Additional SP Operation of More M. Amit, OC of More Police, led Kohau, including the police personnel and Colonel of 43rd Assam Rifle Sumit Sod, rushed at the spot and conducted search operations. No splinter cells were found, but the team recovered a 2 AA battery cell and few plastics suspected to have wrapped the bomb. More Police Station has registered a case and investigations are underway. No outfit has claimed responsibility of the incident so far. It may be mentioned that this is the second bomb blast by unknown miscreants at More Police Station. Twelve Assam Rifles seized 600 grams of brown sugar worth 1 crore and 20 lakh rupees in the international market along Imphal-More Road around 2 a.m. in the wee hours today. According to Impact News sources, 12 Assam Rifles found the drug in an area of a jungled few paces away from the permanent vehicle checkpost Kudeng Thabi. Acting on a tip of a 12 Assam Rifle conducted search operations at the area. The Assam Rifle team, upon seeing some individuals at the jungle, went after them. However, the miscreants fled, leaving behind the drugs. Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam informed that concerned authorities have been apprised to take necessary investigations upon the claim made by the public asserting of supplying leak, expired gas cylinder and minimum oil in the pumps. He was speaking at the distribution of MLA Local Area Development Fund and inauguration of a newly constructed waiting shed at Langtabal Khopund, Langtabal in Imphal West today. Minister Karam Shyam said that concerned authorities have been informed to conduct a spot inquiry of the incident and submit an exact report within this evening. He asserted that definite actions will be taken if any illegal actions is detected in the report. He stressed the need for the people and the state leaders to work honestly and fairly for the development and welfare of the state.
Concern Oiriba Cabin BT Director, Masi Sunday Uragasu, Aduga Uzi, IOC Deputy General Manager, Soin Timama Salaga, complaint Louis Matungina, sport verification tow, Adugamara labels in Muna action local law, Adugi Kayumba, Lana Taworagana, and our Muna allegation Taworagana, Mediagi Kutanga, as a clarification Pioma High Valere, complaint or Natragana Maram Sana, Harripo Kudimate, Equilanga Pamoina, Matam Chupada, Honor Tawani, the Wimal Kambochari, Tagachari, the Wudabu, Nasinum Dawam Hogi Manunda. I saw the report. We all Sunday were going to talk to them. I have a convey instruction. Nama,
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, CAF and PD Minister Karam Shyam made history by distributing the money of the Local Area Development Fund of Langtabal to the people of the polling stations. The Local Area Development Fund were handed over to respective polling-wise committees at the Chajing Myril Khong Community Hall in Langtabal constituency. Minister Shyam distributed the fund to 16 committees for the first phase. Speaking on the occasion, Minister Shyam said that it is the duty of every members of legislative assemblies and ministers to distribute the fund with 100% transparency to the people. He appealed to representative of people to look into the deficiencies of the people for a developed state.
Razagi Tabak Tobakanda, Tamoising, Tabak Torakanda, Razagi South Torama Pagani, Maduna, Akoi Kudimaki, Mai Pakani, Hanadi, Akoi Hall Kendagi, Beneficiary Central Committee, Amasya Magatobani, Matangagi, Nasisi 75%, was it Lehori 25% account transfer to Dragati, Nasi Narang latest Topa notification bank Amagi Matungina, 2 crore Sahim the Kaiva Taragati, account Namada. 2% Kapagi Port Lakanina, account transfer in a Togani, Aduna Nasi Pambiri, Kudimana, account Mamam, Sinjamaigi, Urban Cooperative Bank, Hambiraga, account transfer to Dragati, madugi 2 lakhs to mangjaba laigadamina adugi thabakto tawbinaba maduma appeal tawjari.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee organized one-day seminar in commemoration of the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi today. Leaders, MLAs and former MLAs of the party attended the event held at Congress Bhavan in Falt. Speaking at the event, former Deputy Chief Minister Kamd Nungba MLA and who is also the President of MPCC said that no words will be enough to praise Mahatma Gandhi. He also expressed the need to follow the footsteps of Mahatma Gandhi. Former Minister and MPCC Vice President Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar, who was the moderator of the seminar. Retired Professor K.S.S. Bimola spoke as a resource person on the topic Mahatma Gandhi as champion of non-violence movement during the first session. Dr. M. Ramananda Singh from Mal College under University of Delhi spoke on the topic Mahatma Gandhi, eradication of untouchability and promoting unity in diversity, India. During the second phase, MPCC General Secretary K.H. Devarta acted as the moderator. MU Professor Amar Yumnam spoke as a resource person on the topic Mahatma Gandhi and contemporary development thinking, while Dr. Chinglent Maishnam spoke on Mahatma Gandhi's view of rural self-sufficiencies and present-day agrarian crisis.
Any religion, any teaching of philosophy based on truth and non-violence is nothing but is a divine message. Message. Ishwar ki baat aati. Mahatma Gandhi ma Hindu hai. He's a pakka Hindu. Ma Hindu koi hai na. Islam, among the Christian and other religions hai. Equally ma worship to hai.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on painting competition held in observance of the 95th birth anniversary of RKCS. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Sunday Afternoon News. RKCS Museum of Crafts organized a painting competition for the students in observance of the 95th birth anniversary of late renowned artist R.K. Chandrajit Sana Singh, popularly known as RKCS, at his residence in Kesamthong today. Around 150 students from class 3 to 10 from various schools participated in the competition. Winners of the competition will be felicitated on 13th of October. The competition is being held in remembrance of the role taken by RKCS in the field of painting. Old Manipur Medical Students Association held its 48th annual Freshers' Day at Hotel in Falt today. Speaking on the occasion, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Yumnam Khemchand appealed the medical students to be a good doctor. Freshers introduced themselves and interacted with the senior doctors of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, and first-year postgraduate of RIMS were also accorded a warm welcome. Meritorious students were also felicitated, and an annual magazine entitled Khong Thang was also released in the event.
Pradhan Mantri Narendra Modi ji na Ayushman Bharat scheme go hokdokna la isi masi yam thakaningai ni Manipur ki honorable chief minister na kogi haksel gi tengbang kaina hokdore isi masi aso mateng amoi ai whole singjame kendra sida lising amaga samri ga nipu mari Ayushman Bharat card aina health department kaluga ayumda loina salaga yenthokali so around 40% amadi asagi under property line the laitaba even doctor ki profession the labor we yaurami kogi census the we bela ko kango dusu karai dang phammaga mana khanaba amani da anka hola sakibani na magi mi pop the hapsala sakiba ai egi thabakta adi honesty kitang sumna tawasi sangi doctor zu afaba doctor laini pataba doctor laini politician asu afaba laini pataba laini hago laiba medical students ina afaba doctor oibiu.
Titular King of Manipur, Leisem Sananjauba, inaugurated a shop entitled Bachu Unique Creation at Mahabali in Imphal East today. The shop will make available varieties of cultural items, including dresses, to the public. Speaking at the inaugural event, Titular King Leisem Sananjauba lauded Bachu Unique Creations for revealing various traditional items at cheap rate amidst the losing of our culture in the modern world. Proprietor of the shop and modeled Bachu said that the shop will avail varieties of traditional dresses and luxurious items for both male and female.
Unique unique harisya manam sai yam unique oiba ekoi phirol sing nupi singi maroina aduga amuksu koi nupa singi sira salai koyet ka leiriba salai gi masu mayam gi koyet ka leiriba siguma yam unique oiba koi gi inat ka mari lena pochei mayam ama manamasi yokhatning bagi gomasi hingal haning bagi loinana asi anoba mirolda khanghaning bagi aduga mafam matam sana masi koi gi showcase tawna bagi adu mai pandamda bachuna tawbase thamoi sengna ai thagachari.
Office of Kakching Municipal Council organized a competition where the one who collects the highest amount of plastic wins. Councillor P. Sanahal's team of Kakching Ward number 4 bagged the first position and a cash award of 10,000 rupees by collecting 450.7 kg of plastic, and other teams were also felicitated with cash awards. Kakching Municipal Council organized the competition as a part of Prime Minister's scheme for a free single-use plastic country. Chairperson of Kakching Municipal Council, Narem Sanjit Kumar, announced that the competition will be held every 3 months. Ambassador of Iowa Manipur, Mrs. Iowa India 2017, Asha Kiran Konsam felicitated Manipuri lady Charishma Laimapokpum at Sangai Hotel in Nagamapal today. Charishma Laimapokpum bagged Miss Fitness titled in Miss and Mrs. Iowa India 2019 held at Mumbai on September 28. She also achieved a Mrs. Fashion Icon titled in the Miss and Mrs. Globe India 2019 held at Delhi on the 29th of June. Laningthau Sanamahi Sanapung LSSP held the Nachom Semba, Cheng Khaiba and Cheng Khappa event on the 4th Maitai Chenu Contest 2019 at Longmai Jingcheng in Imphal East District today. Contestants of the pageant competed with each other in the said events. The remaining events of the contest will be held in various parts of the state. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Mahut Minister Taunazam Shamkumar declares that a new building bylaw, First Amendment 2019, allows constructions of building up to 7 stories in the state. And 40th hour economic blockage jointly called by all tribal Sandstone Lever Association, Moray and Golden Tipper Owner Associations starts early this morning.